If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these hot pink Converse toddler shoes into these lovely rhinestone and charm embellished shoes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I'm going to be adding some rhinestones and some kobo charms or kobo-chans charms that people usually use on Crocs. I'm going to put them on my daughter's shoes. I'm going to be using this SS12 glass rhinestone on the toe area. And here are the charms. Now people usually use these on Crocs, but I thought it would be so cute to add these to her Converse, just to try something different. Here's a wax pickup tool that I'll be using, and there will be a link available if you'd like to purchase one of these. And also, I will be using Liquid Fusion on the toe area of the shoe. And I'll also be using some E6000 glue for the charms. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And before I start adding any embellishments, I always wipe off the area that I'm going to add rhinestones with. I always wipe it with alcohol, so be sure to do that. Okay, so my simple advice for adding rhinestones to the toe area, what you really want to do is just make sure each rhinestone is just right next to the next one. So if you could just place them as closely and tightly as possible and kind of follow the shape of the edge of the shoe. You can choose to go left to right, like straight lines across, but I think it just works out so much better when you just kind of like bend it like a smile. Just like how the shoe is shaped, add the rhinestones that same way. Make sure they're tight and there's no spaces. And it'll be so pretty and so flawless. Okay, so now that I'm done adding the rhinestones to the toe area, I'm just taking big globs of the E6000 glue. Now, I know I've said that sometimes I don't use this glue to add rhinestones. I no longer use it. I learned that when I tried to use Liquid Fusion with Crocs, mostly everything fell off. So when it comes to like fabrics and rubbers, I think that E6000 is still the best. So just to set the record straight, for some projects you will still need E6000. Just be careful because it is toxic, so make sure you have a fan blowing or a window open. So I purchased these cute little kobo charms or chans or whatever they're called. Some people call them gibbets, but I think the gibbets are the ones that are actually rubber and have the little plungers in the back that you use on Crocs. But anyway, these cute little charms and pieces came from Amazon. And I just thought these would be super, super cute on my daughter's shoes. My daughter is 14 months old and she wears a size 5 in toddler shoes. So that's what these are. And I purchased these from Journeys. They were about probably $34.99. So just check out how I'm adding a nice hefty amount of glue because you don't want the charms to fall off. And I'm just trying to make sure I push them down and hold them in place. Just make sure they're pressed down nice and sturdy because you don't want them getting loose. So just keep watching my methods here. So now I'm going to add some charms to the back of the shoe. I just want to fill it up as much as possible. And I also scattered some rhinestones, some SS20 throughout the shoe as well. And I'm almost finished actually, but you can take it a step further and you can add pearls and even more rhinestones to fill in the different areas. But I'm really pleased with how these are looking so far, and I'll reveal to you the final look in the next clip. Here is the final finished look of these cute little hot pink size 5 Converse shoes, you guys. I absolutely love them. I love the iridescent SS12 rhinestones on the toe area. I love how those different colors just hit from the toe. And also, these big charms are super cute. I like how they look on the hot pink shoe. This is something you can do if you don't feel like taking the time to just add tons of rhinestones to your shoe. You can use these bigger size charms, jazz it up, make it fun, do a theme with it. I really like the way these came out. They look super cute on my daughter's little feet. And this is something that you can definitely do yourself, especially if it's for a special day, maybe the first day of school, birthday gifts, or whatever, maybe just an everyday thing. I love these, and I can always go in and add more stones and pearls if I decide to. But I'm really happy with the way these look. And so far, nothing has come off. So again, you do have to keep E6000 around. But thanks you guys for watching this quick little video just to show you a nice way to jazz up your daughter's shoes, or your granddaughter, niece, goddaughter, or whoever. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook if you can. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.